everyone, and welcome back to my beauty space. It's Lara. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this brand new freaking unboxing. I just got this amazing package that delivered from my house from BH Cosmetics, and it's one of their brand new blush palettes. I got my box right here, so without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I've already opened the box, as you can tell, but I didn't open the actual product. So this is what it looks like. This is their BH Weekend Vibes Bellini 6 color blush palette, and I'm so excited, you guys. I've been on the lookout for a brand new blush palette to use because I know that I regularly, consistently use my holy grail blush palette, which is the Morphe 9B blush palette. I'm sorry, you guys, I just realized that my fan was on this whole time. Sorry. Anyways, my holy grail for the last couple of years has been the Morphe 9B blush palette. However, since it is discontinued, I always feel super guilty whenever I use it on my channel because you guys can't go out and purchase it, so what's the point of using it in my videos? I've been on the hunt for a vegan and a cruelty-free and a clean beauty. Did you guys just see Bunny? I was on the hunt for a blush palette that was clean, that didn't have any dirty, toxic chemical ingredients that were really harmful to my face, and I wanted something that was clean beauty and affordable. Little did I know that BH Cosmetics had my back. I'm gonna go ahead and open this palette, and first impressions, it's super cute. I love the little duochrome colors that the word Bellini has. I really like the packaging. I love the feel of it. It is like fancy cardboard, that's what it feels like, but I love this type of packaging, to be honest. So if we're gonna open it up, it comes with a huge mirror, and then I'm just gonna get rid of this little plastic thingy, and these are the colors that we have right here. It comes in 6 amazing different shades. As you can see, the packaging is still duochrome on the inside, which I love. I know what you're thinking, this is all peach. Well, actually, yeah, this is a peach based palette, so these are all different shades of blushy pink, peaches, nude peaches, neutral peaches, red peaches. These are all different shades of peach, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying this out for you guys. I got my EcoTools beauty sponge right here, and I'm gonna go in, except you guys, I really don't know what shade I want to use. They're all so freaking pretty. Before I use them, let me swatch it for you guys. This is the shade Georgia Peach. I'm gonna do a little second layer for you guys to see the color. As you guys can see, this is definitely not suitable for my skin tone because I'm way darker than this shade. If you do have any lighter skin tones, this color, Georgia Peach, will definitely work for you. This is the shade Just Peachy, and it is super gorgeous. As you guys can tell, I love this shade of peach. It's definitely more of a darker pink than Georgia Peach. However, this is more neutral and has a little bit of brown inside of it. This is in the shade Peachy Keen, as you guys can see, and it is super pretty. It's definitely more pink than the one before it. This one was pink with a little bit of brown, but this one is definitely more pink and a little bit berry tone. Right here we have the shade Peach of Cake, which I love. I love peach. This is definitely more of a lighter, brighter shade of peach. The next shade is going to be Life's a Peach, which is definitely something that I can see myself wearing. It definitely has a little bit of orange inside of it, which I'm not mad at. It's definitely not as pink as the shade before it, but it's definitely brighter, has a little bit of red and orange undertones. This is the shade Peach Please. I really like it. This is the darkest color in the palette, and I definitely see myself gravitating towards the bottom 3 shades. These were the first 3 shades on the top row, and then these were the bottom 3, and I absolutely love the bottom 3 more. I feel like it's just more suitable for my darker tan skin. Now to apply this blush, I'm probably gonna go into the shade Life's a Peach with my EcoTools beauty sponge, and I'm just going to go in. And I have never used this before, so this is like a real, oh shit, I put way too much. Okay, this side I don't really have a lot on, but this side looks just a little bit crazy. However, it's super pigmented, as you guys can see. A little bit goes such a long way with this blush. I think it's so gorgeous. And again, I went in with this middle shade on the bottom row, Life's a Peach. This is it actually on my skin right now, and I'm so obsessed. Sorry that this review is like a little bit all over the place, but I felt like my makeup looked so good today, and it's raining right now, and it's super cloudy. I have my laptop like shining such a bright white light underneath, so that way it gives me like good lighting to kind of combat the super dark cloudiness happening. But yeah, you guys, this is my first impression of the Bellini blush palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm super impressed with this. I love the way that the blush applied. I really hope that it's going to be long lasting. It's so pigmented. It just looks so natural on top of my skin. It was really easy to blend out, and I love the consistency. As you guys saw, I did tap in pretty heavy-handed on the blush. However, there was absolutely no kickback. Even whenever I was doing the swatches, I did not find any kickback, any powderiness kind of fluff up onto the palette or on my hands. It's a very, very clean, nicely pressed palette. And the fact that it's vegan, cruelty-free, clean ingredients, no parabens, no phthalates, no sulfates, all that kind of good stuff. I absolutely love this palette. So BH Cosmetics, I think you guys did a really, really great job. So yeah, you guys, I'm absolutely impressed with this palette by BH Cosmetics. I think that they did a superb, excellent job. This palette is honestly killer. It's so, so good, so pigmented, and the fact that it's so affordable means that anyone can get their hands on it. So I definitely recommend grabbing this BH blush palette over Morphe or over other super high-end expensive luxury brands that don't have as many clean ingredients that this one has right here. Be sure to stay tuned so that way you guys can see this in action whenever I use it in a full face makeup tutorial, and then you guys are gonna see how this really, really lasts, how it wears, and how I wear these blushes. Basically, you guys are gonna see me using this palette on my eyeshadow, on my eyes, around my face for that super nice sunburned, sun-kissed effect, and I'm definitely going to style this blush palette many, many, many ways because it's so versatile. There's so many different shades I can use here. So I'm really, really obsessed with this, and I think that it has so many good versatile uses. All right, you guys, let me just get into this outro right now because I'm just so obsessed with the way that my blush looks. Again, I am wearing the shade Life's a Peach right here in the middle bottom row. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this. You guys need to grab your hands on it. I will link this down below in the description box so you guys can purchase it very, very easily. And without any further ado, I will see you guys super, super soon in my next video, so stay tuned. Bye, guys.